We're gonna make cookies.
All right, so I'm making you.
And I'm making you. This is my wife, Tiffani Thiessen. You might recognize her from a couple shows. Blanking on the names.
This is my husband, Brady Smith.
We wrote a children's book.
Yes.
It's called You're Missing It.
You're missing. And now I have to decorate a cookie next to you.
Speaking of illustrating, all right.
I'm actually a little nervous because you're good at this kind of stuff.
This is your thing.
I know, but making the cookies, you're better at decorating.
I need stuff to make stuff stick.
There's nothing yellow about me.
See how she's already directing me?
Oh.
Wow, this is not easy. You know what would make it easier? If you unscrew the top.
My favorite role that I've ever played. That's hard. You know, I have special memories about each one.
How do you get this stuff out of here?
You know, I actually was nervous, but I'm not so nervous anymore. I think I'm actually doing much better.
There we go. All right, now we're cooking with gas, as they say.
Baby, I look like a drag queen.
This is like the outline, okay? Look at that, oh my gosh. That pretty dark hair.
I don't have black hair.
I said pretty dark hair.
We have collaborated. Well, we made children together.
Yeah, that was a big collaboration.
That was a big collaboration.
That might be the biggest collaboration.
That was the best collaboration.
I liked that collaboration. And then
I agree.
You directed
I directed a short film
Short
that
film?
you got cast in, casting couch.
The book was fun to collaborate on because
We do have
the
recipe.
story came from a real place where I was outside doing the one-handed push with our 3-year-old, and I was looking at my phone and doing this, and my beautiful wife opened up the kitchen window and she was like, "You're missing it!"
I did. Who knew? Yelling and nagging at your husband would actually
Turned into a book.
turn into something kind of cool.
The story is a dad is in the park with his son, and the father's the one who's actually missing out on things, and the son's the one who's like, everything's new and fresh. It's a child, and he has these innocent, beautiful opinions and eyes that see things that are exciting, and you know, the dad's not experiencing it with them.
What is that?
That's the rhino character from our book.
Do you remember that movie, The Blob? It's kind of what it looks like.
I agree.
Yeah.
Huh? Working together
It
was a lot of
great.
fun.
It was fun, but I mean, I have to say, like the most of the work was the art, and that was all him. I mean, as you can tell, I'm not very good at that kind of stuff. I'm
That's
more
really good.
I was doing rosy cheeks, but
Yeah.
it didn't turn out so much.
This is the first children's book we've ever done. Hopefully we'll do a lot more. This one is out. You can't miss it. Just like you can't miss the amazing cookie I just made. Honey, look at you.
Oh my gosh, that's like, I'm like half.
Look, you got boobs. These are not this isn't the medium I usually work in.
Oh, you're complaining about the materials? I'm gonna make one more.
I think that my wife's artistic skills, she can make a good heart. Look at that. Oh, and it's pumping. That's adorable.
I know, I am adorable.
I think you did better than me. Although I am very happy with the hair and
And my boobs, that's great, honey.
I mean, you know, I'm just using my
Yeah.
sources.
This was fun.
This was fun.
And You're Missing It is out now.
Yep.
A great children's book for a little reminder to unplug and do fun, creative things like this.
Online everywhere, in bookstores everywhere, You're Missing It, our first children's book. This was fun.